Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to use Kalshi. Kalshi is a platform where you can trade on the outcome of real-world events. It is called a prediction market. Each market asks a simple yes or no question, like whether a sports team will win, or whether the Federal Reserve will raise interest rates. The price of a contract shows what other traders think is the chance of that event happening. The first step to start trading on Kalshi is to fund your account. You can link a bank account, use a debit card, or transfer funds through ACH wire or crypto to your Kalshi wallet. Make sure your account has enough money to trade. Next, select a market. Browse the different categories such as politics, economics, or sports. Pick an event that you understand. After you choose a market, you can trade yes or no. You can also enter your own price. Keep in mind that the price of a yes or no contract cannot go higher than $1. For example, if you invest 50 cents in a yes contract and the price later rises to $1, you will make double your investment. On the other hand, if the price falls, your losses will increase proportionally. This makes it important to understand the risks and manage your trades carefully. There are two ways to trade. As a maker, you set your own price for a yes or no contract, and then wait for someone else to take the other side. As a taker, you immediately buy or sell at the best current market price. Both methods allow you to participate based on your strategy. Once your trade is active, track it in the Portfolio tab. You can sell your position before the event concludes to lock in profits or reduce losses. This works similarly to trading stocks. Thanks for watching.